Hey everyone, and welcome to Bort. Today in this kitchen I will tell you about a garbage disposer, Alligator Max, and show how it works. It already appeared in our video called How to Choose Garbage Disposal, so if you didn't watch it, be sure to follow the link in the description. But I would like to talk separately about perhaps the most interesting model in our lineup. Alright, the first thing that catches your eyes is its size. The device is quite large. Reasons to this are multi-layer noise isolation and the size of the camera. Thanks to modern materials, we got impressive sound pressure power, only 55 decibels. Under the sink, it is not heard at all. The camera size of 1600 milliliters and a powerful 560 watts brushless motor allow it to be used even in a family of 8 people. Plus, it has several functions for reliable and long-lasting work. I'm going to tell you. If something gets stuck in the grinder, for instance, a particularly strong bone, it will first increase power on its own, and if this doesn't help, it will reverse. Then no bone will definitely stand. Perhaps the main difference from other models is that with the garbage disposal comes the remote start button with a piezo element. There are no batteries in it, so there is no need to change them. And the button will last for 40 years. You can attach it out of reach of children, thereby further protecting the use of the disposal. Now let's get down to the main thing. Let's see how he copes with food waste after the guests came. Here we have peelings from vegetables and fruits, leaves of cabbage and even chicken bones. If we had thrown all this into a bucket, it would have already been filled and it smelled indecent. Let's start with a simple thing, peeling vegetables. Then we throw the cabbage. Some fruit. And the most interesting, chicken bones. As you can see, everything was successfully grinded and went into the sewer, and my husband no longer needs to be sent to throw out garbage. If you have any questions left, write them in the comments. We will be happy to answer them. Good luck and bye, guys!